I'm Henry Derks, and we are in Harmelen in Holland. And today we have an exchange of our AF300, the first in Holland, which we bought about 10 years ago. And we exchanged it for an AF500. We know the AF500 is a more complete machine, and at this moment we need more possibilities from a machine, and that's why we bought the AF500. We are made windows, doors and facades because it's a good product in these days. It's not only easy to fix, it's also easy to keep it clean, to get it in a high position on the market. So I think we are delivering a good product. We know that Schüco have a good product. It's German quality, and we like to offer our customers the same quality. So that's why we work together with Schüco. And we work with Schüco, also the Schüco data center in our factory. And the best is that from the drawing until the final production, final installation, we have one program. Also for the machinery and of course for our employees. It's more complex than 20 years ago. There are more possibilities to deliver a window or a door. And with the fabrication data center, the employees can find their own tools to build the right door.
Ich bin Servicetechniker im Bereich Fabrication Products und kümmere mich hauptsächlich um die A500. Das ist eine 5-Achs CNC-Maschine mit kardanischem Kopf. Schöne Technikspielerei zum Bearbeiten von Aluprofilen für Schüco, ja.
We bought the AF300 about 10 years ago, and we thought it would be complex. We are a small company, so perhaps it's a too big step for us. But at the moment we know much better, and that's why we go make a bigger step.
Meistens läuft das eigentlich ziemlich gut und ich glaube, das Feedback von den Kunden ist auch durch und durch positiv.
We hope the AF500 is for our future the best we could get, but we have it with the AF300. 10 years later, you need something else, perhaps bigger or smarter or anything like that.